Hello viewers or subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Ki Indian Army, Kimla ban le eiei Manipur, Ther Himanta ya Rahul Gandhi, Chief Minister, jong ka Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, ula persya ya ka jingkren jong Rahul Gandhi, ban bu da ki sipai Indian Army, Manipur, ban pun Kumno ya ka jinga ka ji jat benreu, Manipur, Himanta, ula ong, baki Indian Army, Kimla ban le eiei, nomor kata, ya kane ka jingya ka ji Manipur dan kampan weng da ka mensim omde da ki kuli.
Today Rahul Gandhi is saying that Indian army should stop the violence. That means what? They should open fire on civilians. Is it his prescription? How can he say that? Army will not able to solve anything. They will only able to temporarily quiet or temporarily bring some peace in a given situation. But solution has to be come from heart, not from the bullet.
Himanta, ula kentoru ya Rahul Gandhi, namar ba Rahul, ula kenno ya Modi, ba Modi ula riki, bat ula biri ha parlimen, kat ba ka Manipur pat, kadang jot kadang pra. Hakine kisni baladep, Rahul Gandhi, ula ong, ba don hok ya Modi, ban riki bat ban biri ha parlimen, ha ba ka jela Manipur. Kadon haka jingya snam, lasau benai kenti. Menhakini kisni baladep, Rahul Gandhi, ula ong, ba Modi I kuma ule klet, ya ka Manipur, ka jala Manipur, kadang don haka jingya snam. Sibun kibriu kilayap, ki kente kilasyak takti, bat kilasyak bat bor, kad ba Modi pat, usyong hakmat jong ka parlimen, don jingle rang, uriki penban. Kane kam dai syapang Rahul Gandhi. Kamdai syapang ka parti kongres, bat kamdai syapang jungi kiliang persya, Henry, kadai na kamtakari, laong Rahul Gandhi.
The Prime Minister seems to have forgotten that the state of Manipur is on fire and has been on fire for 4 months. Women and children are dying over there. People are being murdered. Women are being molested, are being raped. And the Prime Minister of India is sitting in the middle of the parliament shamelessly, laughing. This is not about Rahul Gandhi. This is not about the Congress party. This is not about the opposition. This is about India. It's about our country. A state has been decimated. It has been destroyed. It does not exist anymore. And it has happened because of the politics of the BJP. Divide and rule and burn.